Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olamide Messi. So the latest update I have for you guys is about applying for a US visa interview. Couple of months back, the website to apply for US visa interview has been changed. Okay, and I remember posting a video earlier this year on how you can apply for this US visa interview. So there are certain changes that has been made. So I will just give you guys an overview. We will go into details later, but let's just talk about the basic things, the necessary ones for now. Okay. So first thing first, the website for applying for a US visa interview, just like I said, it has been changed, and the new website is this website. I'm going to provide the link to this website in the description section of this video. This is different. This is different from the DS160. Remember, I posted a video on how to fill the DS160. That is still the same. Nothing has changed as regard that. Okay, certain things has changed, but regarding filling the DS160 form, the video is still very helpful. So check out that video if you are filling your DS160 form. So you do that. You don't, to avoid mistakes. You understand my point. I will also attach the description section to that video. The link to that video in the description section. You understand? Without wasting much of your time, yes, let's talk about this website, this new website. So if you have started your application in the previous appointment system, you can see this is all what you need to do. You can click on this. That is if you have paid the MRE fee and you have not scheduled a date yet. You can check out this information. Even if you have scheduled a date, there's a way you can transfer your data information into this new system. So this information is for you. Okay, but let's now talk about, for those of you that you're just applying for the first time, this is the website. I'm sure you're not familiar with the old website, so this is the new website. Check out your country. Let's say you're applying from Nigeria. Okay, this is going to take you to this login page. If you're a new user, you come to this place, you have to first sign up first, and when you click on the sign up, I have created an account, so I won't be going through that process. When you click on sign up, you have to provide your name, your email, your phone number, and certain information. Then you submit. Then you have to wait for at least 24 hours to get a confirmation that your account creation has been successful. You understand? So let us move past that. I would still share a video on into the full details, but I just want to give you guys an overview of this application, this visa interview application process. You understand? So because this is a new website, so you have to come to this website. It says have it, and yes, I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Okay guys, so this is what the website looks like. Okay, if you want to start your application, you have to create new application. You have to go through this process. And yes, for what I just want to point out in this video is that the website has been changed and you have to get used to this new website, not the old website. Okay, I'm going to share the whole process on how to fill the information, what you need to do. I'm going to walk you through. Watch out for that video, but for now, get used to this website, and this is the website for applying for a US visa interview. Okay, and yes, one more thing is that if you are yet to watch that video on how to fill the DS160, make sure you watch it. That is going to help you a lot, because you don't want to make mistakes. You want to ensure you are filling the right information. So stay tuned, subscribe, like this video if it was helpful, and share with your friends and colleagues as well. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.